So we have completed most of our app. We just need to add a few more functionalities to make this app a finished product. Let's go ahead and do that now. First, in this dashboard fragment, we will add a functionality to sort the list of books based on rating. For this, we will add a menu option for sorting on the toolbar. So first, let's make the XML file for the menu option. Create a new menu resource file. First, let's add an item tag. We'll give it an ID. Now we need to add an icon. We have already taught you how to create an image asset. You can do the same to find an icon similar to this or one that you like best. We've already done that. So let's add the icon. And then we will give it this title. Done. Now as of now, we are only giving one option, but there can be multiple menu options here, right? So we will use this order in category attribute and give it the value 100. This 100 makes the menu item the first menu item on the toolbar from the right. Now you can see here that these 3 dots are added to the toolbar. Now let's say we don't want these dots since we have only one option to give and we want to give the menu item on the toolbar itself. To do this, we will add this show as action attribute and give its value as always. This is what the menu item will look like now. Let's stay with this one. So we have made the XML file for the menu item. Let's add it to the dashboard fragment now. Let's open the dashboard fragment.kt file. In this file, we are going to add this new method. This onCreateOptions menu method is used to add menu items to the toolbar. We will go ahead and remove this line from here. Why did we remove it? Because using this line will implement the default behavior of this function. But we want to customize this function and we don't need this line. Now, you can see here that this method has 2 parameters. First is the menu, which will hold the file we will inflate. Second is the inflator, which will be used to inflate the file. Next, we will write this statement. We are using this inflator method. Here, we give the file which needs to be inflated. This is the XML file that we just created. Next, we give this parameter menu. This menu is the same as this menu used here. It is the variable which will hold the menu file we created. Now let's run the app. No, we don't get the options menu here. Well, that's because to set a menu, we need to tell the compiler that this fragment has an options menu. So we'll go back to the dashboard fragment.kt file and we'll use this setHasOptions menu method here. Make sure you add it inside the onCreateView method of the fragment. Now, this method that we have used is used only for adding a menu to a fragment. For adding a menu option to an activity, the compiler automatically adds a menu by using the onCreateOptions menu method. Let's run the app again. Yes, we get the option now. If you click here, you will see that right now the menu item is not working. We will need to add the functionality for this. We'll do that in the next video, so stay tuned.